Here we're going to look at the area of a circle. Okay, so what we want to do is, well, we want to figure out how to take the area of the circle. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to chop this up into a whole bunch of little triangles. So watch this. Okay, so we're looking at 1/100th of a circle. Okay, just a little pie slice. And notice, okay, since we took such a small little pie slice, it looks just like a triangle. Okay, and we know that the area of a triangle is base times height divided by 2. All right, now the base is the circumference, right, is like 1/100th of the circumference, right? Like if we back this up a little bit. So if we back it up a bit, you can see that where the triangle came from, right? So here's the triangle, and we can see the base of that triangle is 1/100th of the whole circumference, okay? So let's go back to that. So that's 1/100th of the whole circle. Okay, so base times height divided by 2. The base is the circumference divided by 100, and the height is the radius of the circle, right? So let's see what happens next. So the base is, okay, is circumference divided by 100. The circumference is 2 times pi times the radius, okay, divided by 100. And the height is the radius. So if we take the area of the triangle as base times height divided by 2, we're going to replace the base with the circumference divided by 100 and the height with the radius, and look what we get. Okay, so here's our base. Our base is 2 times pi times r divided by 100. We're multiplying it by the height, which is the radius, divided by 2. These two 2's are going to cancel. Okay. So these two 2's will cancel, and the two r's will multiply, and we'll get r to the power of 2. Okay, so we have, whoops, hold on a second, let's backtrack that. So we end up with, okay, the 2's canceled, the r's multiply, that gives us r squared, so we have pi r squared divided by 100, okay? But remember, this is only 1/100th of the whole circle, okay? So if you had 100 of these, 100 times 100th, we end up with pi r squared. Watch. Okay, so I put that back into the circle. The area of a triangle is pi r squared, and look, we're multiplying it by 25, 29, 35, and all the way up. Look at this. Okay, so the whole circle is 100 times pi r squared divided by 100. Those hundreds cancel, so the area of a circle is pi r squared. Okay? And that's how we get the area of the circle. Whoops. All right, so once the hundreds cancel, you're left with pi r squared. So the area of a circle is pi times the radius to the power of 2. Okay, and it's the radius to the power of 2, not the pi, right? And that is it. Just remember that pi is on your calculator. There's a pi button, and it's 3.14159, and it goes on forever. Okay, so we're using the calculator button for pi. All right, have a good day.